Hey guys, I'm Kristy and welcome back to Photoshop Icebreakers. On today's episode, I'm going to be helping you build easy and cohesive social media graphics for your brand. In 2023, it is extremely important to have standout, cohesive, and effective graphics that help build your brand's awareness, trust, and impact that you can have on social media. So I'm going to be working through what I believe to be the best tools and techniques to create scroll-stopping graphics. We'll be setting up artboards to create a visual of your social feeds, removing backgrounds from images, retouching photography, adjusting sky landscapes using the sky replacement tool, using the colorize tool to suit your brand, and adding textures using blend modes. First up, we're going to go into Photoshop and set up our social media grid. Starting off with an artboard 1080 by 1080 and find the artboard tool, usually hidden under the move tool. Clicking the new artboard, selecting the edge, and click plus. Keep going until you have your full 9 grid. From here, we're going to create the base of our graphics, adding any images and text we'd like to use. Once we've got our base, let's really help the brand come to life. So we're going to create some clear-cut images to use as assets throughout our social media graphics. Open up your product image that you'd like to clear cut in Adobe Photoshop. Double-click the layer and find the marquee tool, and select Subject and Mask. From here, we're going to drop down the menu under the Select Subject and find the cloud-based solution, which will give us detailed results. Click Select Subject. You can then adjust the properties to your liking. I'm going to adjust the smooth and feather here and click OK once you've done. Click the Mask button to remove the background, and next tidy the edges. Clicking shortcut E to use the eraser tool, and using the bracket on your keyboard, you can actually increase or decrease the size of your tool. To add image, make sure our mask layer is selected and brush on the image to re-add its surroundings. To remove any unwanted sections, make sure our photo layer is selected. And once you're happy, convert the layer to a smart object and then rasterize it so it's a flat layer. Copy and paste the clear-cut image into your social media grid, moving the layer outside the artboard's edge. Now repeat the previous steps to create a set of clear-cut assets that you can use across your graphics, and then add them into your graphics in unique and interesting ways. Quick tip, if you hold down Option while you click and drag a layer, it will duplicate it. Keep adding the graphics until you've got your desired effect, and in a matter of minutes, we've taken our graphics from this to this. Photoshop can really allow us to take our photography, enhance and upgrade it for an even more branded, cohesive and recognizable effect. We can continue to push the brand's desired aesthetic through things like color correction, changing the sky landscapes, and retouching our photos. Alright, let's retouch some images. I want to remove the spoon, so let's select the image by holding down Command and click. Find the Clone Stamp tool and hold down Option on a part of the image you'd like to clone. Release the Command button and brush on the clone in the desired area. And keep working with the tool until you have removed the object. And let's see that before and after. And on to the next tool, the Sky Replacement tool. I want to give the sky a moody aesthetic to match my brand. Find Image and click Sky Replacement. Next, search for your desired sky, select it and adjust the settings if needed. Guys, changing a sky has never been so quick and easy. Alright, we want to match this image on the right to the one on the left, so let's add some color. Find Filter, Neuro Filters, and turn on Colorize, and adjust the settings to your liking. And just like that, we've colored it. And again, we love the before and after, so here we go. And lastly, one of my favorite and easiest ways to add some flavor and punch to your social media graphics is adding texture. Drag a texture into your file, resize it, and make sure the layer is sitting on top of all of your other layers. Find the transparency panel and scroll down to the list of blend modes to find the most suitable to give your image that textured look. Adjust the opacity and you're done, just like that. And as we finish up, you can take these tools and techniques and apply them to your own brand in your own way to create a style that's custom, unique, and cohesive for your own brand. I hope you all enjoyed this Photoshop Icebreaker session. I'd love to know in the comments what you do with these tools and how you take your social media graphics and elevate them to the next level.